The 2023 Porsche 911 GT3 RS made its first in-person appearance today at the Quail, a Motorsports Gathering, only 2 days after its digital world premiere. The show car, customized by the GT model line and style Porsche, is a tribute to the 1972 911 Carrera RS 2.7. Additionally, as announced by Kjell Gruner, president and CEO of Porsche Cars North America, the car will serve as inspiration for a limited availability Porsche Exclusive Manufaktur offering exclusive to U.S. customers, a tribute to Carrera RS Package. Appropriately for Monterey Car Week, the model on display is extensively personalized. Finished in white with key areas in Python green, the car is a direct reference to the iconic white and green color configuration offered in 1972 on the first 911 RS model, as well as a new interpretation of it. In this instance, the body is finished in non-metallic white, including side air intakes painted to match with model designation graphics on the sides and rear in Python green, forged aluminum wheels in Python green with white pinstripes. Exclusive design taillights emphasize the green on white theme by eliminating the red color from the rear taillights and third brake light. Finally, the side plates on the left and right ends of the large rear wing are painted white with RS logos in Python green. The headlights also feature a pinstripe ring in white, something that is not available via the normal list of factory available options. The color combination continues inside the car with matching stitching, trim panels in white to match the exterior. The 2023 Porsche 911 GT3 RS is the most extreme street-legal 911 model yet. Its 4.0-liter naturally aspirated boxer 6-cylinder engine generates 518 horsepower and revs to 9,000 RPM. That power is routed exclusively to the rear wheels via a 7-speed PDK dual-clutch automatic transmission. Making extensive use of motorsport-derived aerodynamics, it generates more than 900 pounds of downforce at 124 miles per hour and 1,895 pounds of downforce at 177 miles per hour.